One touch of a switch is all it takes to raise and lower these Draper Motorized FlexShades with Phifer's SW2703 in Oyster Beige, installed in Wherry Elementary School in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Motorized operation and the right fabric really make a difference in controlling energy usage and glare from large banks of windows. Motorized FlexShades by Draper offer the ultimate in high-tech convenience in a functional shading system. The simplicity of shades with the versatility of motorized operation.